Hello everyone, today in this video I will tell you about highlights of budget 2021. So the first thing is about health and sanitation. The government has provided various schemes to develop primary, secondary and tertiary healthcare centers. To develop the vaccine and to distribute it in an effective manner, the government has mainly focused on health and sanitation center. Now the second highlight being the education. The government has provided some of the list of education and some of the list of schools to be established in coming up years. 100 new science skills to be developed and then 750 Eklavya schools to be established in tribal areas. A central university to be established in Ladakh. So the next highlight being the infrastructure. The government is planning various highways and road projects in West Bengal, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Assam. The government is also focusing to tackle climate change. So under climate change, the government is planning National Hydrogen Mission by using green sources to tackle climate change. A gas pipeline to be established in Jammu and Kashmir. And vehicle scrapping policy. According to this policy, the government is establishing few automated fitness center and the maximum lifespan for commercial vehicle is 15 years and for personal vehicle it is 20 years. And the vehicles have to go fitness test every 20 years or every 15 years. The next focus is on tax. Many of the economists have requested the government to reduce the taxes in various fields, but the government has neither reduced the tax nor increased the tax. So, according to this budget, on the percentage of taxation, the prices of few commodities will increase and the prices of few items will reduce. For example, the prices of commodities like food grains will increase, mobiles will increase, infrastructure, equipment and machinery, these prices will increase. And the prices of few items like gold, platinum and nylon will decrease. The next highlight is about employment. So in employment, there is an interesting point about gig workers or temporary workers and construction workers. A portal will be maintained for these type of workers and a social security will be maintained and established for gig workers or temporary workers and other construction workers. This is one of the major point and important point for employment in budget 2021. Now moving on to the sector of agriculture. In the budget of agriculture, MSP has been increased to 1.5 times. So minimum support price for farmers has increased to 1.5 times. And a multi-purpose seaweed park will be established in Tamil Nadu. Here we need to talk about seaweed because seaweed is having many uses and multiple purposes. For example, seaweed can be used as a human feed, it can be used as a fish feed as well as animal feed. It can be used as a fertilizer and it is also used in cosmetic industries. One of the special property of this seaweed is it is having the capacity to treat wastewater. 16.5 lakh crore rupees will be spent on the sector of agriculture and other allied sectors for the growth and development of these sectors. And Operation Green Scheme has been extended to include 22 perishable commodities. Along with these things, Swamitwa scheme has been extended to all the states including union territories. The main advantage of this Swamitwa scheme is farmers can get financial assistance by using their properties and assets which they are having. And when we talk about Operation Green, mainly this scheme is to reduce post-harvest losses and to increase the processing value of food products. So these are the budget highlights of agriculture. When it comes to theoretical way, the budget of agriculture is quite satisfying. So let's see how it goes in practical use. And the budget is quite satisfying, but the farmers are having other demands like to withdraw 3 amendment bills. So let's see what it happens. And thanks for watching this video.